90% of growers would use an irrigation system if designing one wasn't difficult or if they had a guarantee it would work properly. Many growers experience clogging issues or irregular water flow. To solve this problem, we designed Netadrip irrigation kits. They are accessible to all growers and extremely easy to install, plug and play. They significantly improve performance compared to manual watering. The kits include all the necessary components to operate correctly. By following the instructions, installation is intuitive and takes only a few minutes. No technical skills required. The kits are available in formats from 12 to 60 outlets, with two types of emitters, drippers or Netadrip Q-ring. Smartphone control allows you to schedule irrigations or turn the pump on remotely, giving you the ability to water without being physically present. These kits are designed for grow tents or rooms up to 6 square meters. The inline filter included in the kit and the tube diameter have been carefully selected to prevent clogging. Installation instructions are simple. Once the manifolds are assembled, we connect them using 16 mm white tubing. We connect the submersible pump to the irrigation circuit, fill the tank, and finally plug the pump into the smart socket to start watering. Flow rate is equal at every outlet, and the drippers deliver 175 milliliters per minute. Netadrip irrigation kit components: smart plug, submersible pump, 250 watts, 6,500 liters per hour. Washable mesh inline filter, installed at circuit entrance. Self-compensating manifolds with 12 outlets. 6 mm green micro tubing. Drippers or Q-ring irrigation rings. End caps to block unused outlets. Netadrip quick connectors. 16 mm tubing to interconnect manifolds. Key benefits highlighted by our customers: fast installation, clear instructions, remote pump control or scheduling, freedom to leave the grow unattended. Circuit does not clog easily. No need to dismantle the system between cycles. Easy expansion without changing the pump. Full control from your smartphone. Time savings. We calculated the time savings precisely. Manual watering, 90-day grow cycle. Watering every 2 days, 40 minutes per session. Total, 30 hours. With Netadrip, only tank preparation required. 10 minutes to prepare 100 liters. Lasts 5 days with 2 irrigations per day. Total, 3 hours. Total time saved, 27 hours. 90% reduction in irrigation time.